this end doesn't have one of these on there, so make sure you do that first. So it's on. Open it. Twist it counterclockwise and push it. So the clockwise twisting tightens up the links so it shrinks, and the pushing sends it through there. Let's get it on. Kind of seat it a little bit, get it nice in place. It does have threads in there, they're just not, it's a printer, it's kind of limited. The heat. Again. Twist. You let that cool. Add some glue to that once it's cooled, and then you can just basically unscrew it. Normally it takes probably a little longer to cool down, but keep the video short here. This just kind of ensures it doesn't pop out. Basically unscrew that so that it is flush. And there you go.